Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is a makeup tutorial using all new products, and these products are not going to move you around. You can definitely wear it for any marriages, and this is going to stay for on your face I think 12 whole night because everything is matte, and the products I have used, they are not going to move at all. So if you want to know how I've created this look, then keep on watching. So jumping straight in, the first product that I'm going to use, which is new in the market, is this LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. This is an LA Girl Pro Matte HD Foundation, Longwear Matte Foundation. So I'm sure you are aware of the LA Girl Pro Concealer. That is also a very good one. And now this foundation is very good. It is very lightweight, matte, and I am an oily person, so I definitely love this foundation. I have a full review for this foundation. Don't forget to check it out. So before applying some foundation, I'm going to prime my face. For primer, I'm not going anything new. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Beige Magique. This is going to make sure all my pores are covered, and also this is going to even out my face. So next, moving on to the foundation. This foundation is in the shade Golden Bronze. If you are same skin tone that mine, then it is going to be a little bit darker to your skin tone. So what I like to do, I like to, you can see, a little bit darker. It is a little bit darker to my skin tone, but that's okay. I can work it out. I can use a lighter shade concealer and highlight the center portion of my face. And also for makeup, I'm using this beauty blender. This is the new one. I find like the original pink color in beauty blender is far better than this. It soaks the product more, so it dries very fast, so I have to really work out. See, the color is now you can see I have blended the foundation nicely on all over my face. The color is little bit orange to my skin tone, but as you can see, it has given a very beautiful skin like matte finish to my skin. You don't feel if you see me personally, you will understand. You don't you will see you cannot make out. If you see me personally in front of you, you cannot really make out that I am wearing any foundation. So this is how it looks. So for concealer, that is nothing new. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. See, so I have applied it on under my eyes, on the forehead, bridge of my nose, chin, and jawline. Now I'm going to quickly set my under eyes using the Makeup Forever HD powder. This I have been using for a long time. This does not make my under eye to crease, and this is not new, but I'm always make sure to use this. So basically I'm baking my under eyes. I have put excess amount of powder so that the cream concealer becomes totally matte and it does not crease at all. Now to set the cream product, though the foundation is quite matte, still I'm going to set it because I am a little bit oily. I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible powder. This is nothing new, but I have been digging into this to set all over my face. Next, I'm going to fill my brows. For filling my brows, I'm going to use these two products. One is from NYX, the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and another from Colorbar. So I'm going to fill my brows and get back to you. Brows are done. So next I'm going to take a new product. So after brows I always like to use a eyeshadow primer, and yeah, for eyeshadow primer I've got a new eyeshadow primer. I have been using this NYX eyeshadow primer for a long time, but I don't know why this is not working out. It has become very sticky and I don't know what is the reason. I'm not loving this anymore. I don't like that anymore. It creases my eyes, and you can see I have quite hooded eyes. After you can see these lines are there for both my eyes. So if I apply some eyeshadow and these lines are visible, it looks so bad. So I need a eyeshadow primer which does not let my eyes to crease. So I think my eyes creases because I have very oily skin and my eyelids are also very oily. So oil gets stuck here and it makes these lines. So I need a good eyeshadow base primer which does not let oil to stuck there. So for that I bought this new eyeshadow primer from M.A.C. This is how it looks. This is the M.A.C Pro Longwear paint pot. I think this is a very old and very loved one. A lot of people has used. I like to dab my finger and first apply a thick layer on my crease area so that I don't have lines there. The good part of this eyeshadow primer is that once you touches your skin, it dries very fast. Like half of the product has already dried, and on those areas where my finger cannot reach, I like to take a brush like this and very close to my brows so that I don't mess up with my brows. And I like to do one eye at a time. After I apply the cream, I like to set this. Next, moving on to the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this NYX. This is the NYX eyeshadow palette in the shade Earth. NYX has come up with new eyeshadow palettes in the element series. Like they are denoting different elements. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this cool tone shade and apply it on my crease. These are highly pigmented, and you have a very giant mirror here. Next, I'm going to take this warm toned shadow and intensify my crease. Next, I'm going to take this burgundy or maroon shade, intensify my crease. So I don't like to put the darker shade first because I find like if I put the darker shade first, it is a little bit tough to blend. So what I like to do, I first start with a lighter shade and then slowly I increase the intensity. This way I find like it is easy to blend the darker shades. Next, I'm going to take this golden shade and using my fingers I'm going to apply it on the eyelid. It's a very beautiful golden glittery shade. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush and using that brush I'm going to go to the edges where my fingers could not go. And today I'm going to make a wing like this. This is a very good brush. This is the Sephora brush in the number 11. This is Smudge brush. It picks up the product. It's stiff and it picks up the product, and also it makes a very cut crease kind of line. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade and apply it in my lower lash line. And then taking the same fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the lower lash line. So the crease color was looking a little bit harsh. So what I did, I took this shade, this is a very light matte powder, and apply it. This is going to reduce the harsh effect of my crease shade. I'm going to go a little bit upper for my golden eyeshadow. I think now the golden is more prominent. Next, for outlining my upper and lower lash line, I'm going to take this CHAMBOR Dazzle Transparent Pro Smooth Eye Pencil. This is in the shade 109 Brown Dazzle. So I'm going to tightline my upper and lower lash line. Next, I am going to take this golden shadow and smudge my lower lash line. So next I'm going to use this new Maybelline Hyper Glitz ink. So it's a very beautiful golden, greenish golden shade. I'm going to make a line with this. So I have quickly applied some lashes. So for my lashes I've used this Makeup Forever lashes. Lash glue I've used this Duo Lash Glue. And for my lower lashes I've used this Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama. Now I'm going to quickly bronze my face and apply some blush. And after that I'm going to use this highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Bronze. So I'm going to use this NYX matte bronzer. For blush I'm using the Stila Blush. It is nothing new. Now for the highlighter I'm going to take this fan brush from Sephora, and I'm going to take this Master Chrome Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. If you want you can apply less also. Next I'm going to take a small brush like this. This is from Morphe. This Morphe M213, and apply the highlighter for my nose. And also I'm going to apply a little bit of the highlighter under my brow bone. Only this portion I'm going to apply. This is a very beautiful highlighter, and try this out. It's available at NYX. Really a good one. Next for my lips I'm going to use this Maybelline Loaded Balls by color Sensational in the shade Raspberry Rendezvous. So before I apply the lipstick I'm going to line my lips using this Maybelline Color Sensation lip liner in the shade Hollywood Red. You can wear it like this also, but I am obsessed with this highlighter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of it and dab it in the center of my lips. So this is the finished look. I'm going to wear some jewelry to match this look. So that's the finished look. I have come up. So I'm wearing a mantika and small, very small, because you are not going to be bright, some earrings which are perfect for wearing with sari or a salwar suit also. They are not so heavy and they are not too light also. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.